Welcome back to Island Life Live. We are 10 days away from Christmas, and the Mauna Gardens Foundation, along with the Native Hawaiian Hospitality Association, are joining forces to support Ohana in need this holiday season.
And here to tell us more about the Christmas collaboration are Ian Keali'i-Custino. He is our Executive Director of the Mauna Gardens Foundation, and Malia Sanders. She's our Executive Director for the Native Hawaiian Hospitality Association. Thank you, folks, for joining us. Mele Kalikimaka.
To you too.
Thanks for having us.
All right, so please tell us about this big event where we're combining hula with helping our families in need. How is that happening?
Yeah, so the original reason we're doing this, of course, first and foremost, is to provide support to the Hawaii Food Bank. And, a lot of times during this year, all year round, right, they're giving. Yes. Constantly, people are coming to them, they're delivering, but they have to replenish their stores.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So this particular event is to raise food and funds to restore what they've given out and what they will continue to give out to our most needy during the holiday season.
And
food and funds.
This has been a challenging year. They've been giving away a lot of food, so we got to help them, refill their supplies. Now, what's the goal for you guys in this event?
So we have two goals. We have a financial goal of about $20,000, which people can give on our website, mgfhawaii.org, or they can come on down on December 21st. We also have a food goal of 500 pounds.
Oh, okay. I think we can do this.
Yeah.
So I think you guys can take care of this, especially with these two organizations.
Yeah.
I know you folks separately as different, but how does this collaboration happen, and how come?
So Ian and I are now neighbors. We're new
Besides being
neighbors.
classmates.
MGF and Naha are on the same property at Royal Hawaiian Center, and our offices are upstairs on the 7th floor, and now we're neighbors with one another. So we got to talking, and we decided this is a good collaboration for us as a way to give back to the community. We just wanted to do something that was, bigger than us.
It makes sense, totally makes sense. And I wanted to ask you, not only are you guys collecting food and monetary donations that day, but you're also, inviting us to Waikiki to enjoy some festivities, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, the Mauna Gardens Foundation, our primary kuleana is the care of Kamananui Valley. And, Kamananui Valley, of course, Aina Pauahi. And we moved now to Royal Hawaiian Center, which is also Aina Pauahi. And so, part of the reason we collab together is because we have similar missions, right? And ultimately, we want to make sure that we can share culture and tied to Aina. And what better way than to, invite our kanaka and, our visitors to Aina Pauahi so that we can do practice together.
For a little Hula Kalikimaka, yeah?
Absolutely. So this event is, even though it's Mauna Gardens Foundation and collaboration with NAHA and the center, really it's a Prince Lot Hula Festival is one of our mainstay programs at Mauna Gardens Foundation.
Yes.
And we are bringing together favorite halau to come and entertain everybody. We also have cultural practitioners who will be doing things like lomi and la'au, and of course, some last-minute shopping opportunities with Kanaka, small business Kanaka owners. And we'll have lots of stuff, Ohana activities and shopping to boot.
I love it. And how much does this cost? What's the admission price?
Oh, free 99. Free 99. Yeah, come on to bring your kids, and you can enter. In fact, we're going to pay you. Everybody will be entered to win. Can be entered to win 2 round-trip tickets. And come on down. There's no purchase necessary, but
of course, please bring your non-perishable food items.
Absolutely.
Or bring a little bit of money to help with our families.
Give some, get some. Absolutely.
Got you.
Yep.
That's beautiful. Now, date, time, all that good stuff?
December 21st. That's Sunday. Starts at 4:30. Goes to 8:30. Yeah, and maybe some parking details.
Well, there's over 700 stalls at Royal Hawaiian Center, so I think we have more than enough parking to meet the demand. But we're going to park in Royal Hawaiian Center parking structure, And this is going to be taking place in Building B, which is in the middle of Helumua, right on the ground floor in that main gathering area near center stage.
Yep, cannot miss.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, okay, Ian, we ran out of time over here because we want to talk about the Prince Lot Hula Festival that is coming up in May, right? May 9th
Yes.
and 10th. Real quick, maybe 30 seconds.
Yeah, different time and location this year. So this year, 2026, Prince Lot Hula Festival will be in Ka'ivi'ula at Bishop Museum, and it'll be May 9 and 10,
Okay.
the week after May Day.
Okay, you got to come back.
You gotta
We
come
will.
back and tell
I
us all
hope so.
about it.
Absolutely, anytime to come see you guys.
Yes, for sure. All right, brother. Thank you so much. I want to say Dr. Malia Sanders, Ian Costino, thank you guys so much.
Oh, thank
We
you
look
so
forward to
much.
seeing you guys. All right, we're going to take a quick break before.